Let me show you how to do this with new video game module for Flipper Zero. Welcome back to Take Apart. This is new hardware for Flipper Zero called video game module, powered by Raspberry Pi. Cool addition that you can connect to TV. It has gyro sensor, GPIO port and powerful RP2040 microcontroller. Here, GPIO port, USB-C and HDMI port. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh yeah, manual, I don't need that. Let's see video game module. It feels and looks good. Here, full-size HDMI, USB-C to connect the RP2040 chip. And let's peel this protector off of it. Connected to my transparent Flipper Zero. Yeah, let me turn it off first. And boom, just like that. Oops, well, still intact. Great design still allows Flipper's full functionality. If you're using protection like this, you have to remove this orange part in order to fit it on top of your protected Dolphin. So make sure you have installed video game module app, and also the test module install these two, Arkanoid and Airmouse. Then we can continue. Boom, message that video game module is initialized. So let's see apps, GPIO and Airmouse. Yeah, nah, I'll not show you that one. Let's check something more interesting. Games? Arkanoid. Here you can see gyro sensor working. And let's play, just like that. Stick around for teardown video of this video game module. Now, because we have HDMI port, I can connect my portable monitor, as it has HDMI port as well, and it runs off of a battery. So just like that, I'll have a big screen. Oh, upside down, let me fix it, done. Well, the aspect ratio is kind of weird, but still usable. For now, this video game module is kind of useless. You can only mirror your screen and play one game and also interact with one app, but in the future, I hope there will be so much more. Jumping with T-Rex like me. Oh shit, it crashed. I hope it is still under warranty. Let's reconnect. It is great and powerful addition. I can't wait for apps that will be focused on sub-gigahertz hacking. I'm hoping it can provide computing power to do more sophisticated tasks. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.